So if you watch this video till this very extent, meaning you really want to learn how to achieve your butterfly locks using kinky expression, so I've already braided the other part, so this is what you should do. So depending on the size you're planning on doing, that's how big you would want to cut your box braid. So I did the knotless from the root because when you crochet the kinky and you want to start wrapping it, if you do it as Bob Marley, like use the attachment to pick the root, it may be looking fat or big at the beginning part. So unless the person's hair is very silky and light, but this person's hair is not very silky, plus the hair is very short, so this is how it should be looking like when you're done braiding the whole hair, like so. This particular hair, we braid it 4 row because she doesn't want it to be very full, and if it's very full, I'm not sure it will be giving you a comfortable and lovely look, unless you're somebody that likes very full hair. So this video we are doing a blonde cut butterfly locks hair. So the kinky, since I'm using this long type, I'll have to cut it into 3 parts. So that is what I was trying to do here. So you make sure you arrange it to 3 equal parts, which is this that I just did, and you go in with this size of amount because of the size of the braid. Then this other one, I'll have to cut it into 2 because I'll be using this longer one at the upper part. So as usual, like the size I said you should take, you will first pop it like so, then you bring it out and collect one part of the kinky and you wrap like so. And when you're wrapping it, make sure from the root is not very tight, because a lot of persons are scared of this particular hair because some persons tend to wrap it too tight from the root of the hair and it becomes very painful. So make sure not to wrap it too tight from the root. Now this is a tip I should give you, starting from when you're braiding the hair one after the other before you start this whole process. You should not braid it very tight, because if your first braid is very tight, there's no way you're going to make the other one that it won't be very painful. So starting from the braiding part, make sure it's not tight before you start doing the crochet. So because it's a short hair, it will be looking as if it's standing like so. So the length she wanted, that one was too long. I had to adjust this one to be a little bit shorter. Now if you watch this video till this very extent, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up, then do well to subscribe to this channel, so whenever I drop a video you're going to be notified. Now you're just gonna go on with this video and do well to pay detailed attention to whatever I'm doing. And if you have any question or you want me to do something specific for you, like a video, you can drop it in the comment section. I will definitely do that. And there was one comment concerning one of my video concerning packing gel on a natural hair, like the one that will last for a while. I'm still working on that video and I will be dropping it sooner or later. So when you're trying to achieve a butterfly locks, you're using your finger to work accordingly. You see what I'm doing? Using my finger to pinch the crochet out before wrapping it. This is a very close shot, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I would advise, if you're still a beginner, like you're still trying to know how to do these things, you should do practical after watching the video, because practical makes perfection. So when you start doing it, you see and you find yourself getting better at it. And I will advise you watch this video till the very end if you really want to see the outcome of this hair and you want to know how we achieve every single part of the way. So continue watching this video and pay detailed attention. want the hair to be like a bob hair, then the next thing I'm about to show you in this video, it won't be necessary. But if you want it to be falling like a blonde hair, then the next phase is for you. So if you notice after making the hair it will be standing, so do this instead. You go in with hot water. Now the water should not be very hot, but should be hot. Now we'll be dipping this hair inside hot water. Before you do this, make sure to use a very plenty, like quantity amount of towel to put on the person's body, so the water will not drip and touch the person. So I'm just gonna dip this hair inside the hot water, and you should not allow it to sit in the hot water for a very long time. Immediately you dip it, remove it immediately. Now the reason why I did this dipping inside hot water is because I noticed it for a while that whenever I finish making this butterfly locks hair, it will be standing. So before it will start falling straight or lying down straight is when the hair has gotten to maybe like 2 weeks or 1 week after. That is when the hair will be feeling like it will be falling flat, it will still be standing. So after I did this dipping hair inside hot water, I noticed that it's way better and also very beautiful. So after we should dry with low heat. After drying, we go in with every other product that we need to be adding to the hair, like the mousse, the oil sheen, and on and all. So guys, if you watch this video till this very extent and you know that this video was helpful or is helpful, please like this video, click the notification button, so whenever I post a new video tutorial you will be notified. And also drop a comment on the comment section if you're going to be trying this style or trying this method I showed you. Bye, see you in my next video.